Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a shared shuttle
I don't see one. Oh, this one must be yours.
to the port of Civitavecchia in Rome. Well, far away from Rome. So here we go. We just got picked up from a hotel. We're ready to go. Let's see how it goes. Okay, finished boarding check. Now we're going up. The boarding chaos of this number. It's freaking crazy in here. Just made it through immigration and we're gonna be boarding the ship. Okay? And we're gonna walk through and then we're gonna get some lunch. Odyssey of the Seas. Back to Bayonne, New Jersey. Let's board. A little further. Looking at the great sights as we board. You know. Uh-oh. The gate's closed. Can't board here. Buongiorno. Oh, sorry. Good afternoon. Okay. Luggage being boarded onto the luggage tram. We dropped our luggage. And then they got, yeah, pretty big ship on. Finally. Hello. Okay, let's get on. Oh no. Here we go. Boarding pass. Okay. All right.
Go have fun.
We got the boarding pass ready. Let's go. Get on board. All right, shore excursions. We're gonna visit them soon. Hello, hello. We're gonna get on the elevator and we're gonna go upstairs, get some lunch. All right, we're gonna go to the Windjammer now to get a little bite, so we're ready before, you know, we warm up. Right there behind me. Oh yeah, look at all the stations. Yeah, get a lemonade. Yeah, we'll get a lemonade from the station.
Let's go find him.
Yeah, we're gonna go find a table. And we're finally on board. We're gonna start sailing. So thank you for joining us, guys. Thank you for subscribing. And we'll give you a full ship tour sometime later. But otherwise, have a great day, guys. Take care. Thanks for subscribing. Bye now.